Sorry, man. Okay, Sarge. Oh, I'm sorry. I know.
I mean, there's at times, he gets right up, but at other times he just really struggles.
Yeah, there we go.
I think it's more of his elbows.
Oh, crunchy elbows. All right, buddy. You ready now? You done? Ready for a treat? Oh, man. Oh, hold up. Those are my fingers? Okay. Nice. All right. I thought I was getting pretty good at, just presenting. Nope. Okay. All right, buddy.